your presence.
My lord, so consistent.
Yes, please.
The point involved in this public interest litigation. Can the religious structures be permitted in a public land? Contrary to the stringent directions of the Honorable Apex Court is the point. Well, admittedly, there's two, kindly see page 43 one moment. It's a Adangal, Government Adangal Revenue Department shows Adangal, which is latest Adangal Melot, 21/4/2028, which shows that it is a government land, Prabhutva Bhumi. And the translation copy page 44. Survey number 470 of like 17, 12 consists of 40 cents, which are classified as the government land. Not the government land now, the unofficial respondent may not the intervention. The official respondent or unofficial respondent colluded together and they are trying to construct the religious structure in the government land, contrary to the stringent directions of Honorable Apex Court. Honorable Apex Court judgment, which I placed page 57.
Where are the previous reports, the Adangal reports?
Page 57, my lord, Honorable Apex Court, the guidelines, may kindly see.
Please,
Page 57 is the judgment.
We're asking you a question. Where are the earlier reports? This is akin to those like Jamabandis. So like, but this is like in the nature of a Jamabandi. This is primarily in the nature of a Jamabandi. So where are the earlier reports?
The earlier reports, my lord, this is online Adangal, which is available in the revenue records.
Yes, but you please show us the earlier reports also.
Earlier reports, my lord, in respect of
this same land.
Well, as on today, this is the only record available on the online. And it is undisputed, my lord. It is
undisputed since how long has this temple been there? That is what you have to tell us.
It is there, my lord, for the since immemorial is their contention of the unofficial respondent. Whether it is existed Ramalayam or it is a Gontemagudi, which is a local goddess, is the undisputed fact. And we are not also disputing there is a dilapidated building is there in that location and it is a religious construction. But the religious construction was made in since immemorial in the government land. Now, my lord, Honorable Apex Court guidelines, which specifically says no construction. If my lord kindly see the direction one moment, my lords will understand.
Please show us from your petition where you say that this temple has been in place since such and such years. Show us, please.
That is specifically added paragraph, my lord.
What you are trying to say is that with the help of local politicians, etc.,
yes,
we are attempting to demolish the existing structure.
It was already demolished. After filing this public interest litigation, the existing dilapidated building was demolished. And my lord, now it is, my lord, the entire land was leveled. After filing the public interest litigation, overnight, my lord, with the help of 200 police, the existing building was, my lord, demolished.
Can you just show us the earlier part of the building? Where was it? Where are the photographs?
But earlier part of building, I placed a photograph, my lord.
Page 78?
Yes, page, my lord, 71.
78.
This is earlier part of building.
So now it is no longer there?
It is no more. After filing appeal, my lord, the entire building has been demolished. And the photograph shows, my lord, all the authorities were present with the help of police. 300 police people came on 27th, 26th.
Are you saying this was a historical building?
Historical building, my lord. The local goddess, my lord, which is a Dalita temple, my lord. Local people are used to offer pujas for the said temple is the local contention. Now, my lord, the other unofficial respondent contention it is Ramalayam because it is since immemorial it is land is existed. Our contention is, my lord, it is not Ramalayam, it is a local goddess temple and some part, my lord, which is used for the open space for the local panchayati conducting people and all is our contention. Now, my lord, be as that may be. The contention, my lord, whether the permission
Who
can
is
be.
The petitioner?
My lords?
Who is the petitioner?
Petitioner is the, my lord, a local person. She is residing in the very local area and she also used to offer pujas for the said.
Is she involved with the management of the
no
earlier temple?
No, there is no such temple and nobody is offer pujas because it is a dilapidated building for the since immemorial. Nobody is offering pujas. This shows my lord saying that. But now the unofficial respondent contended it is a Ramalaya.
1931 incident.
What is the status of this earlier writ petition?
Well, status is, my lord, it is pending.
1 of 2020.
Yes, it is pending.
Actually, there is an interim direction. There is no interim direction, my
There
lord.
is a statement made on your behalf.
Statement made, my lord, without permission, no temple will be constructed. My lord, we applied for for the permissions. Permissions have been granted. A local inspection has been conducted by the RDO. RDO has given a report to the collector. My collector has given an NOC. Basing on the NOC, the municipal commissioner has granted permission for construction of the reconstruction of the temple. And my lord, that there actually the PAL is filed. My lord, before this, my lord, actually the very same my lord, the two persons are very close to this PAL person filed the present that petition. Thereafter, that is pending, no interim orders are granted. There, my lord, with a similar set of allegations, a contempt has been filed. A contempt also pending now. My lord, now pending that contempt with the very same allegations, my lord, now the present PAL has been filed, saying that in that, my lord, the earlier writ petition, it was claimed it is a Ratchabanda. Ratchabanda means, my lord, actually the people actually sitting and giving, my lord, some
Common place for the.
yes, my lord.
Yes.
That was the then it was now improved the case is that there is a Guntenamma temple. We don't know what is that temple. No temple is there. But from 1932 onwards, in the revenue record shows that there is a Ramalayam. There is a Ramalayam. Malad, I filed Malad because I am appearing Malad. Malad, no notice is ordered. Malad, I have not filed the papers. I have all papers. Malad, 19 Malad actually 91. Current I filed my electricity bills. 1991 sale deeds actually I filed, where actually the adjacent land was sold, the boundary was shown as a Ramalayam land. Everywhere Ramalayam. You lost me kindly see page 43 my land fund file.
And who has filed this writ petition 999 of 26 and
They
what is the
only.
prayer?
They only Malad, but the very same advocate for all these three.
And
Alright,
we
but who is
mentioned
the
the same in
petitioner?
the.
The petitioners, actually the relations of this man, the PL petitioner.
What is the prayer in that writ petition?
We are constructing a temple without permission. That affidavit also, I'm having the affidavit. May pass on to your lordship.
I placed the order of this honorable court also, my lord.
In the order, it was extracted. Page 51. Without permission, we are constructing. To circumvent the order, PIL now.
This matter is already pending.
Yes.
And all these issues can very well be
During
taken up.
pending, my lord, they came along with the 200 policemen and demolished the building and they made efforts for construction.
Now, please listen. The matter is already sub judice.
Yes.
Where is the question of now starting parallel proceedings?
No, this is a writ petition. This is a public interest litigation.
That is
Because-
also a writ petition with the
Yes.
same prayer. And all those grounds are available to the petitioners there.
In the writ petition, my lord, the petitioner sought prayer without permission, don't construct.
Yes.
Now my contention is the
So
government land.
why couldn't the petitioners therein have also taken this ground that you can't construct anything else?
Yes.
Why can't they take it? This ground could have been very well there.
Writ petition, my lord, honorable apex court guidelines in the writ petition, government land construction is all, my lord, matter of concern. Now the personal injury here before my lord's concern, these are apex
What
court
is the personal injury to these writ petitioners?
because they are also offering pujas, Guntemma Gudi, their contention in
Now
the
again, please listen. The earlier writ petition, who are the petitioners?
where they are local residents.
So they are also local residents.
Yes.
So here also petitioner is a local resident.
Local resident, yes, but it's in the interest of the larger public interest, honorable apex court directed, my lord, and also my lord, one more submission. When the Andhra Pradesh government was,
Please
it's a very
listen.
important piece of information. my lord.
Please listen, we will hear you. We are not saying we will not hear you. But please answer our question also.
Yes.
How you can have these parallel kind of proceedings?
My lord, this is a parallel kind of proceedings. When a writ
How can
petition is,
you have?
I'll explain. When the writ petition is pending, when the authorities undertake before this honorable court,
Yes.
without any permission, they want to. My lord, without any permission, they demolished the building and they made efforts for construction of the temple, my lord, on the
Then
base.
contempt you have filed.
Yes.
Contempt is there.
Contempt has not been filed, my lord.
Well, then why
Well,
not?
my lord,
No, even
already
just one
there.
moment.
I have the copy of the contempt.
Contempt, my lord,
Even if they haven't filed, that is the remedy available. If there is a violation of an order which has already been passed,
because in the my
no,
lord,
please tell us. And any question of interim orders, that is very well within the domain of the court in the earlier proceedings also.
my lords.
So therefore, how is this
The writ petition also may be tagged along with the appeal, my lord.
No, No, please.
No, writ petition.
No, no, why should we take it up? Let it, the bench who is hearing the matter will continue to hear it.
Madam, my only submission, when the matter is pending before the Leonard single judge,
So the learned single judge should hear it. If you are aggrieved of any order of the learned single judge, even then you have the remedies. But this is not the remedy. And the petitioner herein is absolutely similarly situated as the petitioner in this writ petition of 9991 of 26.
yes, she is also my lord, the local resident.
Identically situated.
Identically situated
If
because she is also.
identically situated, then is it that 3 more residents come and we have to entertain those writs also?
My lord, so please just my lord, will.
Just
But
answer
before that, my lord, I'll show one more. My lord, when the Honorable Episcopal directed the AP government to file how many unauthorized religious structures found in the Andhra Pradesh. My lord, Andhra Pradesh state government filed an affidavit before Honorable Episcopal
there.
with the statistics. My lord, that statistics are available in the record.
So this is one of them.
This is one of the declared unauthorized construction, but because there are out of 6,707 unauthorized religious structures, only 3 structures have been regularized, and the rest of the structures are declared as unauthorized structures by the state government official records. Principal Secretary filed affidavit before this Honorable Court, and Honorable Supreme Court stated we are dissatisfied with the performance of the state government because since they found 6,707 religious unauthorized constructions, but they regularized only 3. This is absolutely unsatisfied. My lord, they directed the Supreme Court to Chief Secretary to file a complaint affidavit within 6 weeks. That order, my lord, page 16, I placed it before this Honorable Court. As a material paper, my lord, I filed additional, judgments file, memo file.
Where's the memo, please?
Page 16, my lord.
The other copy. Where is the other copy? There's only one copy.
Page 16.
There's only one copy.
My lord, there are 2 copies, my lord, I filed.
Right. Yes, sir, please. Another copy.
There's only one copy, please.
Page 16, State of Andhra Pradesh affidavit. My lord, the Principal Secretary to the Government of Andhra.
After this, what happened?
After this failure, nothing happened because the case has been disposed by the Honorable Apex Court in the year of 2018, leaving open to the state government to take appropriate action against the unauthorized construction. Now, my point is whether the said temple has declared unauthorized by the state government not being regularized, whether continuing the same construction in the same place once again.
All these matters you take before the learned single bench. We can give you permission to file an application for impleadment and bring all these facts to the
These judgments are already filed
single
there.
bench and also take up any ground regarding violation of the Supreme Court orders. So where is the question of permitting parallel proceedings? That is not correct.
May 3rd, my lord, they are commencing, my lord, construction. They announced the date also, May 3rd. My lord, unless until Leonard Single Judge decided, the Honorable Apex Court, my lord, stringent directions in page 20 also.
So this permission also, the liberty we grant you, this liberty you make a mention before the Leonard Single Judge?
No.
What is the problem?
Yes, my lords, I'm absolutely, my lords are right. But till such time, my lord, the single judge take a call, my lord, in deciding the matter.
Not for us. That's not for us to say at
Well,
this stage.
3rd May, my lord, page 21 movement Supreme Court guidelines, stringent guidelines. I will not take much more time. Page 20, just now I material paper. Honorable Apex Court stated, we have undertaken the exercise preliminary to ensure that henceforth no public land public park or public street is encroached for construction of religious structures, all collectors or district magistrate in the country are directed to meticulously ensure that no further land is encroached in their respective districts. And the district magistrate and the collectors must also ensure that no commercial activity is carried out from the unauthorized structures on the public land. The district magistrate are directed to send their reports to the effective every month to the chief secretary to the concerned state regarding fresh encroachment and status of existing unauthorized structures. These are the stringent guidelines issued by the Honorable Apex Court, leaving it open to the district collectors. Now, my lord, even demolishing the existing temple and construction, 209 permission is required by the authorities. Now, the authorities, without examining the issue.
So you are saying this amounts to an encroachment.
But it's a public land, my lord, there can't be any construction, there can't be any permission, is my respectful submission.
My lord, I just want to add one, with your lordship's permission. My lord, is material papers filed on page 44, your lordship kindly have a look. 44 of his material papers.
Okay,
Not
44 of the-
main case.
Yes.
I'm sorry, main case.
Yes.
My lord, this is the Adangal. He relied upon, my lord. He relied upon saying that it's a government land. My lord, it is a temple porambok, my lord, that is actually. Kindly see, my lord, the sixth column, my lord. Sixth column. Column number 6, my lord.
Yes.
Temple. My lord, it is a land allotted in 1932 for the temple by the government. 0.04 cents of land. So it is a temple porambok. So that's why, my lord, in all the revenue records contained is a temple porang Ramalam temple only. My lord, the judgment actually, great respect to my lord, my land friend. But the judgment actually, what is cited, my lord, is if any person occupied, encroached into the government land and our government park, our public park, construction, made any religious construction, the judgment comes into picture. It is already a temple land, man, according to the Adangal, what he filed. We are reconstructing there with the permission. Now, man, the government actually government permission, municipality granted permission for me, collector granted NOC. So I am not connecting any unauthorized structure there. We are reconstructing, man, in the same place where actually it was allotted, man.
We are not deciding on merits. Neither are we making any comments.
I'm bringing the last notice on. I'm not.
Yes.
I'm just because my land friend saying it is a covered by Supreme Court, man, that's why.
That's all right. He's entitled to address whatever arguments.
Well, I also, my lord, actually permit me.
You are representing which respondent?
My lord, I am presenting, my lord, the temple committee 6th respondent.
This public interest. This petition has been filed in public interest by the petitioner who claims to be a resident of the village. It is submitted that there existed a Gram Devta temple.
Yes, my lord. That is what the contention.
Oh, that is Ratsabanda, it says, my lord. Ratsabanda.
Some part is, my lord, Ramadevata,
Ratsabanda.
some part is Ratsabanda. Because
Mala.
it's multiple, my lord, is multiple premises.
I don't know, my lord, whether I have, my lord, I don't know, my lord, whether I have to bring to lordship's notice or not. Kindly, my lord, in spite of that, I have an endeavor actually to bring to lordship's notice. In interim direction, kindly have a look at, my lord. He doesn't know what is there, my lord. He says demolition, not to permit any demolition or reconstruction of existing Guntanamma temple or open space. He doesn't know whether it is an open space or Guntanamma temple. That is his prayer, page 22.
That's all. Further submitted that the land in question has been used by the villagers partly as a public utility space known as Rachbanda,
Ratsabanda according to them, madam.
and there exists the Sri Gonthanamma temple, which is the Gram Devta. It is contended that there is an attempt, there was that the land in question is government land. And the existing building has been demolished during pendency after filing of this
Yes, madam.
petition. And an attempt is being made to construct
వాళ్ళ కంటెన్షన్ నోట్ చేస్తుంటే మనకి
attempt to construct a Ram Mandir now.
obtaining
Raman.
all permissions,
Ramalayam.
Yes.
obtaining all permissions.
Ramalayam without taking any permission from the.
Please.
Please do not interfere. Who is this gentleman, please? We are not interested in hearing any of anybody.
మాట్లాడకూడదు. ఒక నిమిషం ఆగండి.
What these people who just stand up and start speaking.